Our women's Terravia Trail Pants are built to go fast and far on singletrack. These pants are made with a light, stretchy blend of spandex and recycled polyester. The fabric dumps heat, dries fast, and flexes with your every move, so there's nothing to hold you back when you're moving quickly through challenging terrain. It also sheds moisture thanks to a durable water-repellent finish made without intentionally added PFAS. The minimal, lie-flat waistband sits comfortably under a pack and has belt loops for added security and comfort. The cuffs also cinch in with a drawcord, allowing you to dial in your preferred fit as the terrain and conditions change. When big days call for lots of snacks, we keep you covered with 2 zippered front pockets and a zippered thigh pocket. Ambitious plans demand a wardrobe that can keep up while staying out of your way. Our women's Terravia Trail Pants are made to do just that.